example is very important, same as it is fifth part of question number 5, where we have used the identity cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. And here we will use the identity secant square theta minus tangent square theta is equal to 1. Both questions are of same type. So let's see how we will solve this question. What is given in this question? Prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 by secant theta minus tangent theta. Yes, dear students, what we will do? Take left hand side. What is given in left hand side? Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. And we have to find the answer in the form of secant theta and tangent theta. So how can we convert these in secant theta and tangent theta? We know that tangent theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta, and 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta. So what we will do here? We will divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. Let's do. On dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta. Sin theta divided by cos theta minus cos theta divided by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. As we are dividing the numerator part, in numerator 3 terms are there, so we will divide all these 3 terms by cos theta. Similarly, in denominator part, sin theta divided by cos theta plus cos theta divided by cos theta minus 1 by cos theta. As we know that sin theta by cos theta is tangent theta minus cos by cos 1 by cos is secant theta, sin by cos is tangent theta plus 1 minus secant theta, because sin theta by cos theta is equal to tangent theta and 1 by cos theta is secant theta. Now what we will do? We will rearrange these terms. On rearranging, we will get secant theta plus tangent theta. I have taken these two terms together, minus 1 divided by 1 minus secant theta plus tangent theta. I have rearranged the terms only. I have taken secant theta and tangent theta together and minus 1 this side. And we know that secant square theta minus tangent square theta is equal to 1, and it is of secant and tangent theta question. So we will substitute this 1 by secant square theta minus tangent square theta. Now putting the value of 1, secant theta plus tangent theta minus secant square theta minus tangent square theta divided by 1 minus secant theta plus tangent theta. As secant square theta minus tangent square theta is equal to 1. Now here we will use the identity a square minus b square, and this a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here secant theta plus tangent theta minus this secant square theta minus tangent square theta, using this formula, can be written as secant theta plus tangent theta into secant theta minus tangent theta divided by 1 minus secant theta plus tangent theta. Now these two brackets are same. We can take secant theta plus tangent theta common. What will left inside? 1 minus sign is there and this bracket will left. When we open this bracket, all sign will change. Plus secant theta minus is given. Then we will get minus secant theta. Minus plus tangent theta divided by 1 minus secant theta plus tangent theta. Now these two brackets are same. We can cancel these two. What is left? Secant theta plus tangent theta. This is from left hand side. But in right hand side it is given that 1 by secant theta minus tangent theta. Now what we will do? We will take right hand side. 1 by secant theta माइनस टेंजेंट थीटा इज गिवन. व्हाट वी विल डू, या तो आप इसको साइन कोस में चेंज करो तब सॉल्व करो, या फिर आप इसका रेशनलाइजेशन करेंगे ऑन रेशनलाइजेशन. I will tell why we are doing rationalization. As 1 by secant theta minus tangent theta is given, when we do rationalization, we will multiply and divide it by secant theta plus tangent theta, secant theta plus tangent theta. On multiplying it, what we will get? Secant theta plus tangent theta into secant theta minus tangent theta into secant theta plus tangent theta. Now we will use this identity a plus b into a minus b and it is equal to a square minus b square. Secant theta plus tangent theta divided by secant square theta minus tangent square theta. And we know that secant square theta minus tangent square theta is equal to 1. So what we will get? Secant theta plus tangent theta. This is from the right hand side. So dear students, from here we can observe that this left hand side is equal to right hand side. Yes. Up to this part, in fifth part of fifth question of that exercise, we have to solve only left hand side. But in this example, we have to solve right hand side also. That's why we are getting the same result from both sides. I am repeating this question. What we have done? We have taken left hand side, dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta, on dividing sin theta by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta divided by sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta minus 1 by cos theta. Sin by cos is tangent theta minus cos by cos 1 plus 1 by cos is secant theta. Sin by cos is tangent theta plus cos by cos is 1 minus 1 by cos is secant theta. Now we will rearrange these terms, secant theta plus tangent theta minus 1, and we will substitute this 1 by secant square theta minus tangent square theta. Denominator part same. Now we will apply this identity a square minus b square and it is equal to a plus b into a minus b. We will get secant theta plus tangent theta into secant theta minus tangent theta. Now these two brackets are same, so taking common secant theta plus tangent theta into 1 minus, here minus sign is there and this bracket is given, all sign will remain change, भाई सभी sign क्या हो जाएंगे, change हो जाएंगे, plus secant theta minus is given, then it will become minus secant theta, minus tangent theta is given and minus is here, plus tangent theta divided by 1 minus secant theta plus tangent theta. As these two terms are same, so what we will get? Secant theta plus tangent theta. But it is not equal to right hand side. Then what we will do? We will solve right hand side also. There are two methods of solving right hand side. Whether we convert secant and this tangent in sine and cos form, so that we we can get the answer. Or second method is rationalization. On rationalization, what we will do, we will multiply and divide by secant theta plus tangent theta. Multiply and divide. So on multiplying numerator part, we will get secant theta plus tangent theta, and denominator part secant theta tangent theta into secant theta plus tangent theta. A plus b into a minus b, we will get a square minus b square, means secant square theta minus tangent square theta. And we know that secant square theta minus tangent square theta is equal to 1. So what will left? Secant theta plus tangent theta. And from here we get left hand side and right hand side equal. This is our example number 15.